Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Greek Philosophers of Linguistics. In this lesson, we will talk about the contributions made by Greek philosophers in the field of linguistics. The first one is Protagoras, and you can see the picture, Plato, Dionysius Thrax, and Zeno Stoic. Let's discuss about each one of them in brief. The first one is Protagoras. Protagoras was well known for word classification. The parameter used was gender distinction. Thus, he classified Greek words into masculine, feminine, and neuter. That is his contribution in the field of linguistics. We move on to the next Greek philosopher, and he is Plato. Plato, who lived between 429 and 347 BC, also contributed immensely to the linguistic analysis of the Greek language. He was the first person to make an explicit distinction between nouns and verbs. We continue to know more about him, Plato. His distinction was functional. For example, nouns were referred to as words that could function as subjects, while verbs were terms which could express the action or quality predicated. We move on to the next one, Dionysius Thrax. Dionysius Thrax lived around the 2nd century BC. His first contribution was on spellings of Greek words. In the field of syntax, he came up with 8 parts of speech: nouns, verb, particle, article, pronoun, preposition, adverb, and conjunction. His work was considered the first comprehensive and systematic description of the Greek. We continue to know more about Greek philosopher Zeno Stoic. Zeno Stoic and his followers are referred to as the Stoics. They formed a formidable school of thought which contributed meaningfully to linguistic scholarship, as they gave more attention to language than any other philosopher of their time. They succeeded in making a distinction between form and meaning. The earlier members of the school classified Greek words into 4 parts of a speech, namely noun, verb, conjunction, and article. We continue to discuss more about Zeno Stoic and his followers. They also recognized the existence of case in Greek nouns. Finally, they distinguished between the active and passive on the one hand and transitive and intransitive verbs on the other. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.